All right, we are off to Black Balsam Knob.
Are we?
Yeah, I think so. Those are those berries your mom was talking about.
I know, right?
They look just like flowers. Look at them. They're wild berries. That way or that way.
MST and arch lobe. Art lobe.
I'm queen. You said this was half a mile.
No, it is not half a mile.
You guys said it was in the car. I heard you.
Nope.
What? That this was half a mile?
Nope, you heard wrong.
No. Yes, I'd like hard
Looks like there's a lot of spots for where you could
camp
out at.
So, not bad.
I clicked something on my toe. Give me a click your toe. Whoa, this is a smooth one. Very smooth. Bark is all. We must have shaved the bark off.
Let's go wander around over here for a little bit. You guys want to? Yeah.
Can we?
Go back more.
You hear that?
That's the ground.
That's underground? That's underground. Something living underground.
Right, somewhat hollow.
It's hollow.
Berries.
There's caves under us probably. You're gonna fall through a hole. You're gonna get ate by a troll.
Trolls are real.
You don't know that.
Daddy, you made a rhyme. Hey, there is a campsite. There's a campsite.
Where? Somebody's got a tent up?
See it?
Where?
It's a hammock.
Right there.
Oh,
The birds flying.
yeah, that's like a hammock or something.
That's not people.
That's nicer.
This is nice. This is where you could pitch up some hammocks up here.
Ooh,
You got all these trees for it.
Yep.
Somebody looked like somebody had a fire pit there. I think you're not allowed to build fires up here though.
No, because you won't go.
I think you're just not allowed to, but alright, there's people down there. Let's get back on our trail. Come on, follow mommy. Jenny, you're gonna lead us. Jenny, you're gonna lead us, okay? Caroline, Allie, you guys have to stay behind your mommy.
It's nice up here.
There's a trail here, honey.
Out in the open now.
There's a trail.
There's a trail there and a trail.
Look at that.
Wow.
What?
You got to get right here, Tim.
What wow? What wow?
The view.
Wow! Let's go over there.
Come
Ooh,
on, let's
go
get down.
Imagine the mountain line there.
Come over here. Daddy, see the view.
Daddy,
Come closer.
the view. Oh, there's a lot to play. And animals in this place.
Whoa, she almost fell.
No.
I did.
Talking about Caroline.
There's a snake holder right there, Daddy.
Oh yeah?
This is lots of work.
Come on, Caroline. Why are you on your hands and knees for?
I'm mountain climbing, okay?
Look at this view.
So, that's where we were at. Wow, look at that rock down there.
Let's go up a little bit higher. This is nice.
Ooh, look at that rock there. That's what,
This side.
guess what, Mom? Daddy's coming with me. Our teacher, Miss Rice, she has a course. Guess what? The science is
Find a pretty one up here. You can get that.
quartz? Quartz actually doesn't. Beauty.
Careful, girls.
Beauty. And Daddy.
Hi, too. Okay, that's enough.
Well, yeah, I just want to get right there.
Just with it. No, that's enough. Caroline.
What?
This isn't too far from the road neither, so this is nice.
You can't even tell it's right here.
Yeah.
Come on back.
We haven't even made it to the top yet. Let's go. To the top we go. So there's a lot of 360 views up here. And we haven't even made it to the top yet. So we're at the top of this mound. And Jenny is already afraid of heights. Getting vertigo up here.
Yep, I sure can.
Hey, those are my shoes.
So this peak we are at the top of.
Whoop. There's no
I hope the dead cat is doing a good job with this wind,
dead cat.
which I'm sure it probably is.
I thought you meant an actual dead cat.
Watch out, you two. Be careful, okay?
Come on.
Go ahead and start leading the way, Jenny.
That kind of looks like a chicken.
Let's make our way up, Jenny.
That kind of looks like a chicken.
Nothing I haven't seen when I was down there. Let's go. Follow your mommy. That way is the way we go.
Take a break.
Not yet. Keep going. Keep going. Take a break.
Is it a state of South Carolina?
It is.
Right here. Stand right here. You'll see it better.
It is.
Stand
It's
right
the
here.
state of
This
South
is the
Carolina.
state of South Carolina.
What is
How many
This shape,
shape of what?
the formation of this rock is the state of South Carolina.
Ooh, it is.
Yeah.
Somebody sure loves South Carolina then.
Yeah, there was some South Carolinians that did that then. But we are technically in North Carolina right now, so
Say what?
They look like they can go camping. They got them gears on.
Actually, there's actually 20
who knows? They've already probably been on the trail for
people.
maybe a day or two. You never even know.
I counted and there was 20 people.
Are y'all done?
Like I said, this is
Take that water.
a popular trail, Art Lobe.
Oh, it's a
And-
trail. People's on it. That ball spot.
Yeah, I see him all the way down there.
See that ball spot right there?
But yeah, Art Lobe Trail,
Are you done now?
probably the most popular trail up here
Finish the water.
across the Blue Ridge
drink all the water.
Mountains here in western North Carolina.
Now.
Allie, you need to.
Approaching Black Balsam Knob. I don't know what the elevation of this is, but it's one of the highest point around here. So we'll get some pretty good views up here. It's a popular spot right off of a very popular trail, Art Lobe Trail, which is like a super duper long trail. A lot of hardcore hikers like to hike up and down this trail because it goes for miles and miles. Please stay in entrenched trail and off of vegetation. Walking off trail kills vegetation and causes severe erosion.
Can we take a break?
We don't need a break. We're almost there.
Are we there yet?
We're almost there.
Right, Mommy?
Almost there. You got about like 100 yards.
100 yards.
Yep. Maybe even less. Looks like we made it. And let's get this in on video. Hey, gotta get closer.
I can see you.
You can climb up there.
Guys, let me show you something. Hey, wait.
On the top of Black Balsam Knob,
That's what we're going to use the bathroom.
and it is pretty windy. Not that bad though. This view's real good. Man, it feels awesome right now. It's perfect weather right now, isn't it, Allie? You feel better now? You still sick?
But once I get in the car, I'll go back.
That is the Blue Ridge Parkway that you see down there.
Look, put your arms up.
What?
Face the wind. Turn around.
Mom, you're blocking my air.
Feels good.
No, it doesn't.
So the elevation here is 6214 right here.
The highest point then.
Yeah, Black Balsam Knob elevation. I don't think it's the highest point, but it's
But the mount, earlier was 60, 52 or something like that.
no. The highest point off of the the Blue Ridge Mountains is Mount Mitchell.
Oh yeah, Mount
Yeah, but the highest lookout point was down the road where we came from. Hey, careful right there now.
Caroline, you do not want to tip over. Well, other people did. Come on.
Yeah, other people do it now too now.
Sit right there. Don't you dare move no more.
Mom, these are all.
Man, that is quite a view.
You miss fishing, Daddy? Do you? I like fishing a lot.
You can really come out and hang out up here.
Yeah, you can.
We've got a lot of room for you to come and spend
Come and visit.
some time here. That's another trail. I wonder where that trail leads to.
Mom, put your arms out.
That's probably just an arch blower up on the side of the mountain. You know.
Look at that dog. Mommy, the animals are sticking out of it. What?
Careful.
Look, it's like a mini cave for mini people. Or something. Whoa. No, that's not
Okay, watch out.
This rock, Daddy. It's just
So nice right here.
It is, man.
It's a
That
perfect
breeze is
seat where I'm
perfect,
at
man.
Right here now too.
And that breeze is just perfect.
It's so nice.
Making our way down now.
We'll go this way. Wait.
the muddy place.
Yes. Beside. Step. Come on. Don't you even.
Hmm.
Look how smooth it looks.
All right, let's go.